journey. Today, we're diving deep into the universe to uncover 60 mind-blowing facts about space that will leave you speechless. From galaxies beyond imagination to black holes that warp time itself, get ready for an hour of pure wonder. Let's blast off. Fact 1. Space isn't completely empty. Even in the vacuum of space, there are tiny particles, radiation, and cosmic dust floating around. Fact 2. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light in some regions, thanks to dark energy. Fact 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It rotates so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Fact 4. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Fact 5. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Sagittarius B2, near the center of our galaxy, contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Fact 6. Space smells like burnt steak, according to astronauts. The scent comes from high-energy particles interacting with air inside their suits. Fact 7. Black holes aren't always black. Some emit powerful radiation called Hawking radiation. Fact 8. If you fell into a black hole, time would slow down relative to the outside world. Fact 9. The largest known star, UY Scuti, is 1,700 times wider than the Sun. If it replaced the Sun, it would engulf all planets up to Saturn. Fact 10. There's a planet made of diamond. 55 Cancri E is twice the size of Earth and mostly made of carbon. Fact 11. The Sun accounts for 99.8% of the mass of our solar system. 12. Space is completely silent. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. Fact 13. One day on Jupiter is only about 10 hours long. It's the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. Fact 14. There are rogue planets that drift. Fact 15. A spoonful of a neutron star would weigh more than all of humanity combined. Fact 16. Saturn's rings are incredibly thin. Some parts are only about 30 feet thick. Fact 17. The Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy in about 4. A cloud in space that smells like raspberries and tastes like rum. Fact 19. Uranus spins on its side, making its seasons extremely unusual. Fact 20. A year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long. Fact 21. Universe speeches. 1. There are more stars in the universe than of sand on all Earth speeches. Fact 22. The Voyager. One spacecraft has left our solar system, traveling in interstellar space. Fact 23. A day on Mars is just over 24 hours, only slightly longer than an Earth day. Fact 24. The coldest place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula at minus 458 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 272 degrees Celsius. Fact 25. Space travel can make your body grow taller because the spine stretches without gravity compressing it. Fact 26. Some black holes spin at nearly the speed of light. Fact 27. The largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Fact 28. There are hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit extremely close to their stars, with temperatures over 2,000 degrees Celsius. Fact 29. Saturn could float in water because it's mostly made of gas. Fact 30. There's a star system called KYC 8462852, or Tabby's star, that dims unpredictably, sparking theories about alien megastructures. Fact 31. Observable universe is 93 billion light-years across. Fact 32. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm that's lasted at least 400 years. Fact 33. Some planets rain glass sideways due to extreme winds, like HD 189733b. Fact 34. Stars can live for billions of years, but the shortest-lived massive stars burn out in just a few million years. Fact 35. There's a neutron star spinning 716 times per second faster than a blender. Fact 36. Our solar system is moving at about 514,000 miles per hour around the center of the Milky Way. Fact 37. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at about 1.5 inches per year. Fact 38. Space with and Virgin Galactic leading the way. Fact 39. There are exoplanets that rain molten iron and others where it snows glass. Fact 40. The largest known black hole, TON 618, is 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. Fact 41. Elements. This is why we exist. Fact 42. Space debris is becoming a serious problem for satellites and spacecraft. Fact 43. There are hot spots on Mars that glow due to underground geothermal activity. Fact 44. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, the most of any planet in our solar system. Despite its extreme surface conditions. Fact 46. The first exoplanet discovered around a Sun-like star was 51 Pegasi b in 1995. Fact 47. A spoonful of the Sun would weigh about 2 tons on Earth. That our universe is just one of many in a multiverse. Fact 49. The Hubble Space Telescope has observed galaxies over 13 billion light-years away. Fact 50. Some black holes can merge and produce gravitational waves, ripples in space-time. If you thought these facts were incredible, the universe has even more secrets waiting to be uncovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep exploring with us. Until next time, keep looking up.